Hey, I'm the CEO of Dherbs.com. We get tons and tons of questions every single week. But this week, the question that we got the most is oral hygiene. So today we're gonna get into what's fact and what's fiction. What's up, AD? So I just went to the dentist and the x-rays revealed that I have 2 cavities. This is so ridiculous to me because I hardly eat sugar. I mean, I don't eat candy, baked goods, or anything like that. Sugar is the primary cause for cavities, so why do I have them? I appreciate your answer in advance, Nico. Nico, just because you don't eat sugar doesn't mean that you're immune to cavities. This is fiction. Although sugar does contribute to the cause of cavities, sugar itself is not the primary reason all the time. Look, when people think of cavities, they automatically think of sugar. But another thing that you should think about are starches. Starches get real sticky, and believe it or not, they attract bacteria that get on and around your teeth. Bacteria produces acid compounds that promote tooth decay. These acids actually are produced by our body. These are the things that we use to help digest our food. Sugar. I know we think that that's the problem, but it's just one of the problems. The real problem, the real culprit in this is your oral care. Are you staying on top of it? Floss, brush, rinse after every meal reduces the acid and plaque buildup. Next question. Hey AD, I haven't been to the dentist in about 2 years and my girlfriend is always pressuring me to go. I always use the teeth whitening strips so they are white and healthy as ever. Won't it just be a waste of time to go and see the dentist? Thanks, Brian. Brian, this is probably one of the most misconceptions. People assume if their teeth are white, then that means they don't have to go to the dentist. This is fiction. Society always assumes if your teeth are white, they're healthy. That's not always the case because so many people are doing things to make their teeth healthy. They're bleaching their teeth, they're using strips. So therefore the underlying problem can still be there. Cavities don't exist on the outside of your teeth. So whether or not your teeth are white or not has nothing to do with it. It actually grows on the inside. Teeth that aren't perfectly white can still be healthy. It's actually a natural process for your teeth to become discolored. Some of the more common things that actually stain your teeth are things like coffee, some teas, also wine, drugs and tobacco. But that doesn't necessarily mean that your teeth are unhealthy. Brian, and this is why it's so important that you make those appointments and make it to the dentist. Listen to your girlfriend. Next question. Hello AD, every time I go to the dentist, they tell me that I'm not flossing enough times a day. I brush my teeth after every meal, so I figure flossing wasn't really that important. I hate the pain that it brings, so if I just brush more, will I still need to floss? I hope to hear back soon, Christina. Christina, flossing and brushing aren't the same things. You actually need both. So therefore, this is fiction. Flossing is a major part of oral health. When it comes to flossing, 1 out of 5 Americans actually never floss. And those who do floss, only 40% of them floss daily. When it comes to oral health, you have to include flossing. It has to be a part of your daily routine. 80% of plaque is removed through flossing. Brushing, you're never gonna get in between those teeth, and that's where flossing plays a role. If you don't floss in between your teeth, that can turn into plaque, and that plaque can turn into cavities. Christina, I know you don't like the pain, but believe it or not, the more flossing you do, the less pain you're going to have. So continue to floss and the pain will subside. Trust me, flossing is worth it. Not only are you gonna have a cleaner mouth, but better breath. Continue to floss. Thanks for watching Fact or Fiction. And if you have any questions or concerns, either leave it in the comment section or email us at factorfiction@dherbs.com. And last, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.